Deputy Agriculture and Agro-Based Industry Minister Sim Zin said corn may be the answer to soaring poultry feed prices, which in turn caused a spike in egg prices.
We are doing research to increase the yield. The yields of a corn, because corn is not Malaysian, the weather as well as the soil, etc. It's not very suitable to Malaysia. So we have been importing from cheaper to import over the years from US, from Brazil, from every other world, in the world. But now, because of the prices increasing overseas in US, because of ringgit, etc. Now there is already a need for us to plant our own corn.
The rising cost of food is mainly due to rising cost of animal feed. Most of the animal feed contains certain composition of maize. Hence, Malaysia needs to increase the quantity of local maize plantation instead of relying on maize import. Malaysia consumes a huge amount of maize as food and fodder. Due to these demands, Malaysia imports nearly all its grain corn needs from Brazil, Argentina, and other countries. Malaysia agriculture and food industry is targeting a 30% increase in grain corn production for the animal feed industry in the next 5 years. The invented product, Adam, is targeted to be used by farmers to increase the yield of corn in Malaysia. This invention project was conducted by Standard 5 and 6 students from Sekolah Kebangsaan through guidance from University Malaysia Perlis's students as their community project. In Malaysia, the entire maize plant is beneficial for many parties, and none of its components will be going to waste upon harvesting. The corn is typically harvested and distributed as vegetable for humans, while the plant would be utilized by animal breeder as it is the most suitable animal feed. With the current corn plantation in Malaysia, pesticides are used in producing quality maize. The students from S.K.Sena did their observation in maize farm and found out that pests are only attracted to the upper part of the maize, which is called silk, but farmers do waste pesticides by spraying them on whole plants, which does also causes environmental pollution due to excessive pesticides. After the crop is harvested, the stalks will be cut and processed into fodder. As the pesticide was applied to the entire crop, farmers have to spend more money and time to clean the poison from the stalks. As a summary, we do understand that the entire plant is beneficial, especially to animal breeder. With current practice by farmers, the entire plant is being sprayed with pesticides, which requires the entire plant to be washed after harvesting. This directly increases unwanted farming costs, especially the transportation for cleaning, water consumption, and labor cost. If the plant is not washed, it will be used to produce low-quality animal feed due to traces of pesticides. Finally, the use of excessive and unwanted pesticides to the entire plant does also causes environmental pollution. As a solution to the problems above, Adam was invented where the pesticides are targeted to the specific part of the maize plant, which reduces the cleaning cost of poisoned stalks. The objective of this invention is to reduce the cleaning cost for maize waste used in livestock fodder, increase the yield of maize quality, and reduce environmental pollution. The objectives and outcomes of this invention to directly fulfill some of the Sustainable Development Goals. Moreover, this invention does also increases the farmer's profit by reducing cost from unwanted pesticide spraying, reducing cleaning cost, which does directly contributes to high-quality animal feed and cleaner food for human consumption. The invention production process was initiated with a 3D design using CAD software. The device was specifically designed to generate a targeted pesticide spray that will be applied only to a particular portion, which is the upper part of the maize plant. The pests are concentrated in the upper part of the maize, specifically the silk, which is the only area that requires exposure to pesticides. This part of the video shows the students from S.K.Sena assembling the components of fully functional Adam. To ensure that the pesticides are only directed toward the silk, a cylinder-shaped funnel equipped with a sponge was utilized as a seal to prevent any overspray. The cone-shaped funnel is attached to prevent any substance released toward the user. The novelties of this invention are the new crop production method that has novel features that help produce better crops with higher yields and quality. Besides, it saves a significant amount of money by reducing the cost of cleaning maize's stalks, making it a cost-effective solution for farmers. The economic benefits are one of its novelties, as it helps farmers save money and increase their profits. Moreover, this invention is known for its user-friendliness, making it easy to handle and apply on crops. Not just that, Adam is made from recycled materials, which makes it an environmentally friendly choice for farmers. Furthermore, this invention does boost the agricultural industry as it promotes sustainability by being eco-friendly and using recycled materials. The design has also been patented for this invention by the name Assistive Device Application for maize. It is a huge pride to announce that Ber1 Agro has shown interest in this invention and has requested a purchase of 100 units.
Akan beli 1 unit.
Oh, betul ke makcik?
Betul lah.
Terima kasih banyak. Yay!
In conclusion, the Assistive Device Application for maize has been designed to address several issues faced by farmers. With its innovative features, it not only reduces the cleaning cost for maize, but also reduces the use of pesticides. Furthermore, the device solves the problem of pesticide application by targeting specific parts of the maize plant. This invention not only brings cost efficiency to the farmer, but also promotes environmental friendliness in agriculture, making it a valuable addition to the farming industry. Moreover, a patent has been filed under the title name of Assistive Device Application for maize, or known as Adam. Finally, the team has also received a purchase order for 100 units for Ber1 Agro for their farming application.